So hi, this video is about a memory upgrade on a Clevo P570WM machine. What you can see here, it's a very unique machine, probably the most powerful desktop replacement you can buy. And I bought this used, and it has already two 8GB modules in it. I determined the exact model number of the existing memories, and I want to upgrade it from 16GB to 8GB modules to 4 8GB modules, which will total to 32 gigs. I have already one module which is identical to the existing two. I have a very hard time to find another one. Stupid listers, both on eBay and other corners of the internet, they list this memory, but what I always get, it's a newer one, and I want exactly the same type of memory, and that's what I advise to you to get exactly the same type. I'm checking now, I'm sending back some of it now which weren't this type, and I'm getting another one, and hopefully that will finally also match. So here's the memory, it's the laptop. I have this tool set, but probably I won't need it. What you only really need is one Phillips small screwdriver. Probably I will only need this, and usually it's advisable to use any anti-static braces and stuff. I don't have, so let's go. I also advise you to have a manual for the laptop, which I got one, so I know that first we're gonna start by removing the battery, which is here, and sorry, that's the battery. Oh, here in this model the battery needs coins.